Hi guys, I'm going to try and do this again because yesterday I did a 45-minute video and really nothing, no audio. So I'm going to try and do this again. So we're going to take you all to YouTube. And what I wanted to show you guys is something that really inspired me a couple of days ago or a week ago. It's decoupage, that's how you spell it. And then this one, it's something that really inspires me. So let's get up here. She takes this whole decoupage thing to the next level. What she uses is these clear bowls, and she sticks the images on the outside so that the inside is usable for whatever you want to use it for. As you can see, she's putting it on right now, and what she does is finds really beautiful paper to put on the outside. As you can see here, she's cutting out strips because of the round form of the bowl, so she has to put them on overlapping each other, as you can see here. And it's a lot of work, as you can see, but eventually she has it totally covered. And there is the inside. That is really beautiful. Now then what she does is puts on another different paper on the outside. Sorry about that. And she puts the flowers on. Let's see where she puts them on. Cuts them out really when she makes sure that the white is gone. See that? That is beautiful. This inspired me so much. I like the black and white with the bold colored flowers. She has this whole stash of paper. Don't know if I can find that for you guys, but she has beautiful paper, and that is beautiful. Sorry, I'm getting quiet, but guys, I just think this is really beautiful. That is really awesome. I want to do that. I've been looking for that paper, you know, black and white papers, but I haven't had that much. Well, you can download them, but I want them to be on paper that you can really, you know, stick onto something without bleeding. I'm just afraid if I do that on the laser printer or inkjet printer, it'll all bleed. So if you want to go and watch this video, this is her name. Up here you can see, if you write that down, put it in YouTube, then you'll find her videos. She doesn't have many videos, but she has some amazing stuff, and she does also does really tall vases. Let's see if I can find some. Let's see where they are. Yeah, haven't found them yet. Let's see. Oh yeah, there she is with the vases. See that? That is beautiful. That is art. It's not really decoupage, but she you know, just takes it to the next level. Now there's another one that I really like. Let's see where that one is. Not that one. And I'm going to be doing one of those pretty soon, if I can find it. Oh yeah, here it is. And this is with fabric. So the first one I showed you guys is the one with paper, and this is fabric. Oh, I gotta watch the whole ad. Okay, we're gonna try this just again because I didn't get the audio again. I don't know what's wrong. I think I need a new computer, but I want to put that off for just a little bit. So this is another technique that you can do. This is also decoupage, but this is with fabric. And what she really does is easy. She paints the terracotta first, and she picks out a color that goes really well. As you can see, she's picking out the blue because that fits in with the fabric she's going to put on there. Then she makes the rim is really pretty and colorful. Then what she does is makes a template out of paper, as you can see here, where she puts her the little pencil up in the rim, and then that way she has a perfect template to cut out the fabric, which she does right here. So she puts it on. See how the template is sort of arching, and that's what you need to put on a terracotta pot. So when she's done that, she slips it on and uses the Mod Podge outdoor varnish, and that makes sure that your colors stay vibrant and the rain doesn't, you know, cause anything to happen to the outside of the pot. She also said to put a layer of this Mod Podge on the inside if you're going to be putting anything, plants or something in there, because otherwise from the inside out it will get wet and you don't want that. So that's why she uses the Mod Podge stuff. Now when she puts that on, she does another layer of Mod Podge, as you can see here. This is the one you want, the green one. And then in the end you'll get these amazing results. They are really vibrant, and I think they would brighten up any garden. And I'm going to be doing a couple of these next week. I have to get some really pretty fabric. Here it is. Look how pretty that is. I just love that. Okay, another one I just saw. I'm not sure. Oh no, oh yeah. Nope. Don't want to go that way. Go back. Oh no. Let's go forward. There was another one that I thought was really pretty, and you know, decoupage is not just, you know, one thing you can do. You can do many techniques. It's also something that you can do with kids to make something artsy. I'm not seeing the one I really liked. Let's see here. See, there's a lot of decoupage. This is really easy. This is like, you can do this in an hour. You'll have this already fixed and done. And just let me skip that and let me get to the part where, see, first you color the wooden box. Make sure it's nice and covered in a color you really like. Let me get back here. I think she's going to do some technique to make it old looking. Yeah, it's the crackle look. See how pretty that is? Because she did the base with blue and she put the white over the top, then, you know, when it crackles you see the blue underneath, so that's pretty cool. Now she's putting on the decoupage bit. And this is, I think these are napkins. Napkins are really easy to do this with. I'll just skip through it, guys, because you don't want to, you know, see the whole video. But as you can see how pretty the final product is, that's really nice. And here's the one I couldn't find. Now this is another way to do it, and this time she's going to be using resin. So first off, she takes the pieces that she wants on top, and a good thing to do if you're doing napkins is to tear the paper. Sometimes first you make it wet and then you tear it, because it just gives you a better the where it goes into the paint, you'll see that it just disappears altogether. So that's what she's putting on top. She's made it wet, and now she's going to paint it. I'm skipping through. Oh, let me put the captions off. I'm skipping through, but if you want to check her out, you see her name under here, Svetlana Icecraft. So now she's painting on little things, you know, just to make it look a little bit better. Now she does the crackle too, and I'm telling you, she does a really good job with the crackle stuff, because I don't think I've ever seen anyone with that good a crackle. It's really pretty. Look at that. And then when she is ready, she's going to put a layer of resin on top of the lid, and I'll show you the finished product. As you can see how pretty that is. That is just awesome. So that's it, guys. I was thinking on showing you, I'm not sure, Kim McDonald. Kim has a nice little YouTube channel going on, and she does a lot of cool stuff. So if today you're having bad weather like we are having here in Holland, check it out. This is her name, Kim McDonald Studios, and she has really beautiful pours. Oh, those ads, I don't mind ads, but they're always the same. Don't know why. Maybe because I buy that stuff. Who knows? So I'm gonna skip a little bit because we always want to see how it works. Here she's pulling it off. There it is. Skipping. I like those colors. I don't think I've ever done purple and blue, but that looks really awesome. That is nice. And I'm thinking about doing a Vallejo fluid, and then without the silicone in it. I just might do that. So she does really fun stuff. I bet you've seen her on the Facebook group. That's really pretty. So guys, if you have nothing to watch, go over to Kim McDonald Studios and find yourself some pretty videos to watch. So I want to thank everyone for watching, guys, and I'm gonna get moving and do something in the studio. So thanks, and see you in a bit.